Find features that distinguish it from other brands about AAXA M8 UST Ultra Short Throw 4K Laser Projector. And why you should buy choose, because main features are include. Ultra Short Throw. The M8 UST features a premium ultra short throw, 0.2 TR, lens set. This means when the M8 UST is placed just 12 inches from the wall it can produce a 100-inch image. The projector body adds some throw distance. RGB laser technology. The M8 UST features new miniature RGB laser technology delivering an ultra-bright 1100 laser, LD, lumen image with exceptionally vibrant colors and capable of supporting 4K resolution, native 1080p. RGB laser and DLP. The DLP RGB laser light source with proprietary despeckle technology produces a brilliant color gamut that cannot be achieved by LED projectors, especially white LED projectors. Vivid colors and higher perceived brightness produce a visually stunning picture not found in LED projectors. Compact, versatile. The M8 UST is just 8.1 x 4.8 x 3 inch and 2.78 pounds. This miniature size enables the M8 to be mounted in a variety of different locations both traditional projectors and LCD displays cannot. From inverted wall and ceiling mounting to reverse projection mounting, to being placed on a dresser or shelf, the M8 can do it all. Furthermore, the M8 is designed to rotate vertically and project directly on the tabletop or ground. Cinema-grade quality. The M8 UST is powered by Texas Instruments DLP technology with an RGB laser light source. Texas Instruments DLP technology is true movie cinema technology and is found in the majority of movie theaters globally. The DLP imager delivers high contrast, high optical efficiency, and most importantly high endurance, standing up to the rigors for laser illumination for tens of thousands of hours. Auto Keystone, Efocus, SAFTEY. The M8 features Auto Keystone, vertical tilt only, electric focus, and an SAFTEY sensor to protect users from its Class 1 laser RGB light source. Feature-rich projector. The AAXA M8 UST features dual HDMI inputs, an optical audio port, and an Android operating system with App Store. A smart TV stick is recommended for movie streaming apps. Users can also wired or wirelessly mirror their smartphone content via USB-C or wireless mirroring. DMCA content cannot be wireless mirrored. Supports micro TF card and USB file readers, up to 128 GB. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.